Look at these fine, fresh chickies. They have nice tendies. They're making me some tendies. How you doing, chickens? How you doing, chickens? Oh, there's a bunch of chickens right there. Ah. See if I can add it in here. Let me see. Oh, let me just go walk through. I'm lazy to keep. Oh, look at that one. Oh, look at that fat chicken. Look at that fat chicken. So cute, fat chicken. Give me tendies. Oh, there's the geese. They're gonna go in. Oh, yes. Tendies time. Oh, look at this. Oh, they're like, oh, look, it's a fat guy. Greeting me with essence. Oh, look, it's tendies. Ah, look at them. Come over here. Oh, look at those fat, cute chickens. Oh, yes. How you doing, guys? There's the fine guests coming at me with surprising goodness. And I'm going to stop recording to keep my memory.